Hey guys, it's Colette
and Charlie
from Vera-Bee. So it's Tuesday. It is our last day today for the eco-friendly cleaning week that we've done. So we're going to show you the final kind of products, our favourite products from the range. So shall I start?
Yeah, you go first.
So, I can't believe that, I haven't probably spoken about them before today, but I do speak about them all the time, and if you follow us on our social channels, you'll know that one of my favourite things are dishwashing soap bars. So instead of using liquid, sort of washing up liquid, these are in a solid form. So this one's lemon, and then the other one is unscented. They're completely palm oil free, 100% natural, organic, vegan, made in the UK. And you simply would wet your sponge or dish brush, whatever you use, rub it onto the soap bar, and then wash your pots, pans, glassware, etc. And if you use a bowl, the water's so mild, this is so it's 100% natural. You can then use the water to water your plants, so you're not wasting water down the drain. But I love these.
Yeah, no, they're really lovely, and the lemon one smells really good.
It does.
That's quite new. We haven't really had that a few months, have we?
So they come in, these are 230 gram bars, but then we also have them in a smaller 155. So if you wanted to sort of try them first, then you could purchase the smaller size, and they last forever. So I have this one at the moment at home, the big bar, and mine's still, it's got like a big sort of dent in the middle bit, but it's been going for at least 4 months. So they really do replace an awful lot of washing up liquid bottles, and just far better for the environment. If you look at the back of a lot of commercial washing up liquids, most of the time they say that they're dangerous to aquatic life.
Yeah.
I know, it's really scary.
And that goes straight down your sink.
Yeah. Now also we have this one, which is the Marseille dish soap bar, which this has bicarb of soda in it, and we found that this one works really well in a hard water area. So some people find they prefer this one. Again, it's 100% natural, olive oil, coconut oil, bicarb, and this has got sea salt in it as well. This smells adorable.
I really love the smell of it. It's like addictive.
These are lovely. So exactly the same thing, you'd wet your sponge, wet your brush, rub it on, and then wash your pans. And I promise you, they don't look like very much, but they really do scrub your pans really well, don't they?
Well, they don't. You have to scrub them.
Well, you have to scrub them, but
yeah, it would be
honestly,
if we could sell,
like
if we could sell it that we would scrub our pots and pans, we would be making lots of money. They don't scrub your pots and pans for you. You have to scrub them,
that it gets the dirt
It
off.
makes it easier. Yeah.
Yeah. It's lucky you're here, isn't
I know,
it?
well, it's false advertising otherwise.
And then we also have the washing up powder. So this is a powder, washing up powder, the same company that make Planet Detox, that make the kitchen cleaning and bathroom soap bars that we showed you last week. And so it looks like this, it's powdered. So this is my one from home that I keep in a jar. Again, it smells adorable because it's lemon, 100% natural. But if you prefer to fill up your sink or bowl and have kind of bubbly washing water, then this is the one for you. I use it when I've got a lot of roasting tins and I've done a big lunch or something, and I just want to throw everything in the sink. And I wanted to show you, I don't know if this is going to work very well, because what you should do is you should add it to your sink or bowl into the running water. So you would, as the water was running like normal, you would just add this. But I just wanted to try and show you that it does, there we go, bubble up. So you get a nice bowl full of a bubbly washing up water. And again,
It's like the Science Channel, isn't it?
I love it. I love it. So yeah, that's the washing up powder, and that's in lemon. But again, yeah. So if you like to fill the sink up, that's the best way to do it.
Okay, so and then now we're going to go from washing dishes to washing clothes.
Rock and roll.
Yeah,
rock and
I know.
roll.
Well, all those boring jobs that you've got to do. So actually, I'll show you these first because this is by Planet Detox, the same company that Colette just showed you the washing up powder. And these are their laundry wash powders. And this one is lavender and this one is rose geranium, and they smell amazing. Now, they are made from completely natural products. They have rose geranium and lavender essential oils in them. And they're just so beautiful, aren't they?
Yeah.
They make your clothes smell amazing. And you can just put a scoop of this directly in the drum. Or you can put it in the drawer as well, I guess, but I normally put it straight in the drum. Because they're a powder as well. A lot of people like using powders, and there's a really good reason to use a powder, and that's that you're not paying for any water. Because when you buy liquid detergent, basically you are paying for a lot of water. So these are super concentrated powders, so you don't need anywhere near as much as you would of a liquid wash, do you?
No.
And also, obviously, when they get rinsed away and your wastewater that goes away, there's nothing nasty in these that's going to cause any harm to any aquatic life or to get back into our water systems. So that is guilt-free washing. It's not going to make washing any more fun, but...
Does it do the washing for you?
No,
not even that. Oh, I'm not going to buy dish soap then.
No, it doesn't. It doesn't. We still have to do the washing. But you can feel better about washing when you're using these. Now, if you... can't be. Some people love the powder, don't they? You like powder,
yeah,
but some people don't want to use it, or it's a bit messy, or whatever. But we do have an alternative, and that is our amazing True Earth strips. Now these, when we first got these, they don't look like much, and you're a bit like, is that meant to do my washing? But they are incredible. So they basically, you inside, I think it's, how many strips do you get? 32. Yeah. So 32 strips like this. And it's one per load, so you only need one of these pollutants. They're super, super concentrated. Sometimes if you've got a really big wash or it's particularly dirty, like you're washing a football kit or whatever, you might need two of them. But all you do is rip one of these off. Now, it says on the packet to put these into the drawer. You can rip it into smaller bits if you need to. But I normally stick them straight in the drum, and they seem to work just as well either way. Again, they are chemical free. These ones are the fragrance free ones. They're probably for more suitable people if you're particularly sensitive skin. They're all hypoallergenic, phosphate free, and also biodegradable. Oh, sorry, I've just been attacked by a huge bumblebee. It's because it's coming. Yeah, it's coming to the hive. So this one here is a fresh linen smell, which really does smell good. And it's just a really nice fresh scent. But if you prefer, like if you've got more sensitive skin, you might prefer this one. And what we've just started stocking as well is our baby ones. And these ones don't have any enzymes, so they're the equivalent of the non-bio. And they're suitable for washing cloth nappies, etc. So if you've got a little one at home or a baby and you want to wash their things, these ones are going to be more suitable for you. Yeah. But again, they all come in these amazing strips, and that completely dissolves in your wash and will wash your clothes.
And they smell amazing. It doesn't look much, I know, but again, it's because it's completely concentrated, no water. Yeah.
Yeah. So those were out of the two of us, we couldn't really decide. Colette's rose geranium laundry wash all the way, and I use these ones, the fresh linen strips, at home. So I couldn't.
Yeah, well, I've just purchased these ones. I've just purchased the baby
ones. Oh, you just got the baby ones
because we tested them, and I love them so much. And my husband really liked the smell. It does smell like baby.
Yeah, it does smell.
Yeah, that baby smell. So
babies normally smell like poo, but
yeah, true.
It smells nicer than babies. Yeah. So they would be our recommendations for laundry. Our Planet Detox laundry wash, or our True Earth laundry strips.
Yeah, and just that you're not having to pay for water, which does seem a bit crazy, doesn't it, with washing it?
Oh, yeah, well, exactly.
So yeah, and also the Planet Detox ones, you can they're non-bio, so they haven't got the enzymes in either.
Oh, okay. So,
yeah.
So we just wanted to say, we just wanted to quickly tell you before we go, is we are starting a giveaway. Which, did you launch it today?
Yes.
Yeah. So you can go on, if you can actually you explain it, because I would.
Yeah, so if you go on to either our Facebook page, if you're watching this now, or Instagram, and you'll see the competition. If you like the post and then tag a friend that would like to make a plastic-free swap, and then it closes on Friday, and then Saturday we'll announce the winner, and you can win a bundle.
I've got a nice packet. So these are hand chosen by Colette. Some of our favourite products.
Yeah.
I can't know. Those, and including the hedgehogs.
Yeah, and the kitchen cleaning soap bar and the dish soap bar as well.
So yeah, so that's a load of lovely goodies. So go onto our Facebook or Instagram and have a look. And then tomorrow we start week 3 of Plastic Free July, which is Colette's favourite week. She's very excited.
I am very excited. So it's skincare, which is kind of where our journey started with Vera-Bee. And it really is my second, third love, our first love. But, well, I don't really know.
Joseph first, Millie Joseph, Joyce first. Yeah.
Millie and Joseph.
Skincare second.
What
that mean?
So, well...
Okay, we'll talk about this afterwards.
So yeah, so skincare launches tomorrow, which I'm really excited about, and I don't know how we're going to pick favourites. I'm not sure. No, I'm just going to have to talk about everything all the time.
I don't think need to talk at all. No.
But
yes.
So there you go. So that was the end, of our cleaning product. But they're still going to stay up all month, and obviously they'll be on the site, for as long as we are around. So, so they'll always be there. But hopefully, it just gives you a bit more of a flavour of insight into each product. Yeah,
and we'll do a video tomorrow with some skincare.
With skincare, exciting.
But anyway, have a good evening.
Yes,
and we shall see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. Bye.
Bye.